Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it is Christmas Eve and we had an amazing Christmas Eve dinner. Alongside with that, we opened a lot of Christmas gifts from Santa himself, and I got from Christmas the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I am gonna unbox it on my channel right now. So yeah, I got the blue one. Santa got me the blue one. This packaging is nice. Santa didn't want to have it damaged. How should we open this up? Like that? Okay. There we go. Ooh, the box is super thin. And the box feels pretty heavy. I actually really like the box. That's nice. Smells good. Don't want to open this. So yeah, 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue, 256 gigabytes. The box is thinner because Apple wants to be cheap and not include the brick, the charging brick, and the headphones. So you just got the cable, that's why it's super thin. I kind of don't really like that, how Apple's doing it, because we don't have the USB-C. It comes with a USB-C cable, Lightning to USB, and it doesn't come with that, the brick. No one has that because we all have the normal USB. So yeah, let's unbox this satisfying unboxing. ASMR. So which way? Okay. That's how the box looks like. The box smells good. Wow. Ooh, that is so nice. Comes with the instruction manual or something. It's pretty small. It's cube size, and you got your SIM card reader. You got, what else do you got? You got a single Apple sticker, really. You could have put two of them on the back and front, and some usual stuff we don't need. And the cable itself, USB-C to Lightning. And here was the phone itself. Wow. Ooh. Wow. The stainless steel are so cool. It actually feels really nice. Let's power this bad boy up. There it is. I also got I bought these before Christmas, an out-of-box Defender case and a screen protector for my phone. Ooh, the unboxing process. Ooh, pretty cool. Let's switch to a different point of view. Ooh, it's so big. With my big hands, wow. United States, quick start. I'll set up manually. because I don't want to transfer everything, because I'm not that kind of person. that would do that. Did it? All right, there we go. Need this case, hon. I don't want to get the phone dirty. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has this matte feeling. The 3 cameras, the telephoto, the ultra wide and the wide angle lens. You got the lighthouse sensor right there, flash right there. This is the Pacific Blue, and 5G is right there. Continue, Face ID. Okay, that was fast. Don't transfer apps. I want a brand new phone. I also changed my iCloud, so I actually like the phone itself. It's cool. I'm upgrading from my iPhone X. I got the OtterBox Defender case because I really like Defender cases a lot. I want to get this ready. Oh. Express settings. What is express settings? Continue. Welcome to iPhone. There it is. No SIM installed. Ooh. Brand new phone. Use. Wow. So cool. So yeah. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. New quick take video. Tap and hold the shutter to code a quick video. Drag the shutter to the left for boost. That's new. Oh, that's ultra wide. Wow. Wow. Ooh. The camera's so good. Oh my god. Wow. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and see you in the next video. Peace out.